Have you ever wondered why lemons are sharp enough to make you wince, while soap feels strangely slippery? Or why a hydrangea can bloom blue in one garden and bright pink in another? The answer is the same: the quiet, powerful chemistry of acids and bases. They are the yin and yang of the chemical world. Acids, like the citric acid in a lemon, are proton donors. They release hydrogen ions. They taste sour and can be highly corrosive. Bases are their opposite: proton acceptors. Think of bitter baking soda or powerful drain cleaners that feel soapy because they're reacting with the oils on your skin. We measure this on the pH scale, running from 0 to 14. 0 is a powerful acid, like battery acid. 14 is a strong base, like bleach. Pure water sits perfectly in the middle at a neutral 7. But here's the critical part: the scale is logarithmic. This means a solution at pH 2 isn't just a little more acidic than one at pH 5. It's 1,000 times more acidic. A tiny shift in the number is a massive shift in reality. When these opposites are mixed, they neutralize each other, creating simple salt and water. It's the reaction that makes an antacid soothe your stomach. But this delicate balance is now being disrupted on a planetary scale. Our oceans absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide, which forms carbonic acid, slowly lowering the ocean's pH. This acidification is a crisis for marine life. It dissolves the calcium carbonate shells of corals, oysters, and the tiny plankton that form the very base of the ocean's food web. It's a stark reminder that this invisible chemistry, this fundamental balance, is what holds our living world together.